done.
What's going on, guys? My turn down for my exhaust is here. I ended up going with one from Jegs, 3-inch, 3-bolt flange to go right to my dump. It was only 30 bucks, you know what I mean? Looks nice, little cheap. So we're gonna put this thing up in the air and get at that. Hello. Okay, we're underneath the car now. As you can see better, the dump is a lot higher up and it's not gonna scrape anymore because obviously it was hitting a couple things. It's like the worst feeling when you hit something. It's like, ugh, the low life. Even though the car is not low. But if you get in here, you can see that it was just like beaming this cross member with really hot air. We'll see if it shoots flames, I'm intrigued. But just beaming it and just melted all of the undercoating all the way down. You know what I mean? It was like dribbling right there. A little greasy. It's on the exhaust. Undercoating just all over it. Just splattered everywhere, you know what I mean? So, as you saw, we have the turn down. And we're not gonna be running wing nuts because that's kind of hack. We're gonna get actual nuts. We're gonna toss that thing on. Ow. Oh God, the wing nut, man.
Oh, that's definitely not gonna work. You gotta
give it some more.
If there was a physical way to get on both of those, like, yeah, do that. There you go.
One left. The mean one. I'm gonna get you.
Can you fit the pliers in there? Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah.
So the dilemma at hand right now is just trying to figure out which way this would not melt this floor. We just give it a turn there.
Friggin', should we do this, guys?
And a turn.
Oh God, just put.
Just a little turn there and a little.
So I think like, I don't know, like that would be cool.
Yeah, it's probably your best bet because it's like going down.
A little down to the side. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Let people know. Alright, I'm just gonna need bolts now.
We are back from the hardware store and we got a bag of goodies, so.
Get the bolts, man.
What we got is
a bunch of change. Some bolts.
But
some black ones and one silver one because they ran out.
Yeah, there was an assortment of bolts.
Let's do it.
Anyway,
we're going in. It's gonna be cool. I want this piece on now. I'm excited.
Hang on, I'm trying to angle it.
I want to go drive my car. So
Right
we're
now,
tossing,
popping in the bolts.
Tossing that one on. Can I have another bolt, my man?
I'm just gonna hand you all.
All two?
All two of them.
Yeah, a bunch of them, dude. Crazy amounts, man.
For real. Make sure you torque your dump down to spec.
I don't think torque have a torque spec, dude.
I was sarcastic. Prick.
Jesus. Getting aggressive, man.
So that's what it's gonna look like. We had it kind of loose just to twist it a little bit, see its final resting place. That looks pretty good. It's angled down enough so it's not gonna like smoke the floor.
Not gonna melt the floor this time, yeah.
And you know what I mean? It's tilted enough so you can kind of see like the side view, so it kind of looks pretty cool from
No,
my
just so
point
it
of view.
shoot out sideways. That's the point, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just maybe it'll shoot flames.
We'll see. We'll find out.
What an animal. We've been out ripping the Volvo, and of course, we end up in Mexico. So, I kind of want to try to redeem my line. If you can recall, I want to drift around this turn, come around, then go around this pole, then come back, drift between that pole and that cone, then come around, then go around this pole finally one more time and go straight to end off the sesh. The first time I tried it, I dropped my power steering pulley out of it because my pump seized. This time, we're back and better with a heat protected power steering line. A dump that, dump didn't really change anything, but we got our cool little downturn on the exhaust, which I'll show you is doing real nice. Let me show you, see, oh yes, there it is. little bit dark. But there it is. Not melting the floor anymore, which is awesome. Wasn't smoking. We've had it open quite a bit. Let's try to hit this set. Let's do it.
Smoked out.
Off on the other, look at the other side.
Do you see him? Oh, my door! I hate when this happens. They don't snap. They stun like. Oh, does anyone have like a knife on? No. No one has a knife? No, we have like Hey, no one has a knife or anything? No. Jeez, it's slapping my fender a little bit, you see?
Do you like tires?
Buff them out.
We destroyed him, man. How was that?
I don't like
Oh, look at
tires.
this dude. Blew the tires apart.
Oh my god. It's like shredded cheese you get at the fucking Italian restaurant.
There's just tire everywhere. Take a look at this tire. This thing is gone, dude. Oh, let me get this belt up. Oh, got it. All right, we're good. This thing is fried.